Tamil Nadu Chief Minister MK Stalin has vowed to continue his fight until the timelines for governors are fixed. His statement came a day after a constitutional bench headed by Chief Justice of India BR Gawai said no timelines could be fixed for governors and the President for clearing the bills. The judgment effectively set aside the April 12 decision by a bench of Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Justice R. Mahadevan that set strict deadlines regarding grant of assent to bills by the Governor and the President. Tamil Nadu CM MK Stalin has posted a tweet in which he promises to fix the timelines by amending the constitution. Other DMK leaders spoke about the judgment and the governor's powers.
See, the problem is that governor is an appointed person. In a democracy, when an elected body decides one thing, the governor has to accept. That is democracy. As a legislative assembly is elected by the people of Tamil Nadu, whereas the governor was appointed by the government of India. His only duty is to see whether the bill or anything passed in the legislative assembly is against or contradicts the constitutional provisions. That's all. If something is not contradicting the constitutional provisions, he has to give his assent. But this governor does not want to do any favor. It's not favor. He perform his duty. As a governor, he has failed to do that because he has no authority. He is an appointed person. Anybody tomorrow, he may be, even now, his appointment period was over, still he is continuing, that apart. A state legislature is the people's representative body. So in a democracy, people's representative should decide and the appointed person to accept. If only there is anything contradictory to the constitutional provision, he can send back the bill and he can ask clarification. He cannot deny. But here, the governor thinks that he is the supremo, he is a king. He is not a king. That he should understand. So this judgment is a good judgment. It wants to uphold democracy in this country. And the people who are against democracy are doing all such mischiefs.
Not a setback. See, if it's a very hypothetical question. If the governors act in good faith, if the governors are going to expeditiously dispose of the bills that has been presented to them by the state assemblies, then where is the question of deemed assent coming? The only question that has to be asked is this: what else the governor has to do? What other job has he got? Except giving assent to the bills. He's paid a huge sum. All the governors are living in palatial mansions, a luxurious lifestyle. Why that has been given to them? Just to give assent to the bills, act as per the constitution. If they don't act as per the constitution, then all these issues come. See, if you ask me whether it is a setback, when the BJP is still in governance, it is a setback. But if the governors are going to behave properly, act as per the constitution, and does not act illegally, then it is not a setback. See, that is what we have been saying n number of times. This is the guiding principle of the DMK. Aattukku daadi edharku, naattukku governor edharku. Why does a goat need a beard? Why does a state need a governor? Governors are vestigial organs. We don't require them at all in the present constitution of things. Whatever they are doing, the Chief Justice can do. The Chief Justice of the state can do. And except at the time of forming of the government, he has no other role to play. He's a ceremonial master. That is why we call him an S-master, a rubber stamp, or a postmaster when he sends the bills to the president. So the Supreme Court has reaffirmed all those views.